Reasons for the growth of administrative law in India. Transition to a welfare state. Transition from a non-interfering police state to an intensive welfare state managing daily citizen needs. Massive expansion of public health, food distribution, industrial regulation, and urban planning. Inadequacy of the legislative process. Parliaments lack the time, technical expertise, and flexibility to draft detailed day-to-day rules, necessitating delegated legislation. Inadequacy of traditional judicial systems. Traditional civil and criminal courts faced heavy backlogs and lacked technical expertise, leading to the creation of administrative tribunals. Need for speed and flexibility. Modern governance requires quick policy implementation that cannot always wait for slow legislative sessions. Technical complexity. Legislators cannot draft specialized, intricate rules for sectors like atomic energy, cyber law, banking, and environmental protection. Growth of science and technology. Modern advancements. Atomic energy, cyberspace, aviation, environmental standards require continuous expert regulation. Scope for experimentation. Unlike rigid acts of parliament, administrative rules can be quickly adjusted and tested based on practical experience. Discretionary powers. Complex socio-economic challenges require administrative officers to exercise broad discretionary authority to handle unforeseen situations. Preventive measures. Traditional courts step in only after a wrong is committed, whereas administrative bodies can take preventive steps, e.g., licensing, safety inspections, stop orders,